Why hello there, ladies and gentlemen of the squad. Today, we're doing a sauce review real quick, and we're going to be reviewing Gatorade Frost. We're going to be reviewing Omega by Alternativ Salts. It's a salt nic juice, 50 milligram, and the flavoring is actually really cool because it's a fruity flavor. It's lemon and pineapple on the inhale with a hint of menthol. So on your exhale, you kind of feel the menthol flavor, but you don't actually get it that much on the inhale, which is cool. And there's also not too much menthol. I don't like that. I don't know if you guys like that. If you want more menthol, this isn't the juice for you. But if you just like a hint of menthol, or if you even don't like menthol at all and you like fruity flavors, this juice is not gonna have too much menthol for you to not enjoy it. It's a standard price, pretty good price. Alternativ is a very great company. I've never actually had a bad juice from them. I've been rocking it for about 2 weeks now in the Og Vape AIO, and I'm loving it. I can't get enough of this juice right now. I would definitely recommend. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the vid. Make sure you go down and hit the like button if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button while you're down there if you haven't done that already. And until next time, guys, peace out.